All righty, here we go. We're live on YouTube. And let me go get my chat rooms. Let's go and get live on TikTok. All right, we have BV. I don't even know. Oh yeah, BSFC. Today, absolutely ripped. From closing at 180, all ripped all the way up to 260 or $26. That's 1,126 return in one day. Holy crap. We have SVDFD. Then we have nothing really else. We have warrants. We have RDBX. RDBX. The X. And we also have CYTO. So let me go ahead and load this up. All right, there we go. So right now we have RDBX. I do really like where we're seeing this. I mean, we are already above the previous high. We have some, we have that all-time high at $8. That's what we're gonna have to watch out for. And then we really have, if we can break above 8 again, I think we've room back up to 1030. Break over 1030, we can absolutely rip up to 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. But I just don't see that. We don't have any news. So why would this stock be moving? Why would this stock absolutely rip all the way up to around $1 to $26 with no news? Now, if we go ahead and look at the volume too, we can see that it's only 100,000 in volume. That's nothing. 100,000 volume is nothing. So this is definitely something that I don't want to, that I'm not gonna keep on watch, but I'm not really gonna watch it. So we also do have SVDV. Now the news here, it's on Benzinga's Pro's top 5 stock to watch. Safe Food 8K shows CEO. Not really seeing it. New CMO. So yeah, they got some news. It's not the best, and I'm not really a huge fan of it. We have we stopped at 650 during yesterday after hours. We've marked up those levels, and we can see that if we break over those previous highs at 650, we could easily see it come up to around 750 and then 850 potentially. So I do like where this is going to head. Let's see if we can actually catch it. We do have a downtrend on the play, I should say, on the tick chart. Let's see if we can actually break that. If we can break that during pre-market or when we break up. So they got a new CMO. So that's some good news. Again, BSFC doesn't have any news. So I'm going to move that lower. Don't have any price action for RDBX. I don't like it. I don't like anything. We have ABOS. ABOS is definitely one that I want to watch. ABOS. Guys, right now the market is absolute dog shit. We have CYTO. We got stopped at 186. So we break that level, we're going to come up to 207, 230, and then 250. Pull back lower, we have room down to around 150. Break 150, I'm not going to touch this. So I'm really not a huge fan. Not a huge fan at all. Nothing's really, I'm not liking anything. Good look at the SPY. The SPY increasing volume to the downside. Ooh. That head and shoulders pattern was just confirmed for the SPY. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw it pull back all the way down to around 427. Oh man, that was back in October. I feel like that was just yesterday when we saw this inverse head and shoulders pattern. All right, I'm switching my my account. Not a huge fan. We're coming into that 200 SMA on the SPY. That is something we gotta watch out. I'm gonna flip my camera. All right, yeah, I am looking for a nice bounce off the 200 SMA. We can watch that for the SPY. We do have some support at 442. Let's go and look at the pre-market, what was happening. Yeah, we saw a bounce right off that level. We might be able to catch some calls. Money's just flowing out. So we'll see if we can continue. We'll see if this continues, but you never know. Got a lot of these upper wicks on the SPY, so I'm not really liking anything at the moment. Again, my watch list is very, very it's just terrible right now. We have SFVD looking for that break the downtrend. We have around 15 minutes left, so we have a lot to cover. We have a nice double bottom for SBFV, but why would I take this? There's no point in me taking this at all. There's no news, so why would I take this if there's no news? We have oh, that's Coinbase. There's there's SF, we have BS. Guys, again, I'm not liking anything. Nothing. Yeah, I'm not liking anything. Nothing's really playing out. Nothing's looking good. We really just have to wait to see what takes the cake, takes the volume. This is a good song. If you guys could like the stream and share it, I really appreciate it. TikTok pushes the algorithm, pushes it more. Right now on our, we don't really have anything on our watch list. We're watching SVDF or SVFD and BSFC and CYTO. I'm not liking this at all. There's nothing here. Thank you for the likes. I'll look at it. Oh, man. Ugh. All right, what is it? SAFM. SAFM. I'm not liking it. We're kind of just consolidating sideways. We made a new high at 200 there. If we really break below 185, I could see us coming all the way down, filling this gap at 166. Because we're going to break that 200 SMA. I don't. It looks way more bearish to me than bullish because we are just consolidating at the bottom. We popped up to 200 and got rejected. Nice double top, and we are now sitting below the 920 and 50 920 EMA and 50 SMA with that top tail yesterday. So I do think we're going to come lower for SAFM. It's going private with a buyout from Cargill. I believe that's what it says. Oh, sorry for everybody on TikTok or on YouTube. I just smacked my mic. That was probably loud. All right. Again, right now, there's just nothing to watch. There's just nothing to watch. There's nothing to watch. We just gotta sit on our hands. All right, guys, we're just waiting for the best opportunity, waiting for a halt strategy. All right, I am looking for SVFD to break this downtrend. As we continue, we can see here. It's hard for y'all to see. You can see it on the tick charts here. Not the best viewing angle. That's the daily. Guys, what is going on with the crypto market? VXV is absolutely dumping. Absolutely dumping. Broke it to the downside. We knew that was going to be explosive. Quant. Oh my god. Quant pulling back all the way down to 118. What about MTV? MTV pulling back. I bought in right in around 3. Let me go to CoinMarketCap. All right. 803. That's when I bought. 803. Oh. That was a stupid good buying price then. 8038. Oh yeah. That was a great buying price. Yeah, so I'm in on I got a very, very good buying price for multivac. And I do think we're going to see it a nice All right, so there it is. Looking for it pulled back. It pulled back right to that area, right into this OTE zone. I don't expect it to drop much lower. I don't expect it to drop below 7.5. I'm going to be looking to buy more here on MTV. I want to buy more quant too. I want to buy more quant. I'll throw another. All right. Well, we'll come back to cryptocurrencies. If you guys want me to continue to do cryptocurrencies, what is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin absolutely dumping. We had a nice false breakout out of that downtrend. Very nice false breakout. Same thing there. Broke below, guys. If you would have, I think we're in a downtrend. I thought we were, or not a downtrend. A bear market. I kind of just understand. It's okay. We're in a bear market. You win either way. And if we broke now, guys, we're not going to stop till I think 30s, low 30s, high 20s potentially. We do have some slight support back down at 35. But I don't see it continue, guys. It's now confirmed. This bearish pattern is now confirmed. And if we go and measure here from here to here, we can see that's 26,000. That doesn't make sense. I don't think it's going to come down that low. We do have that 200 SMA on the weekly here. I'm waiting for the 200 SMA on the weekly, the nice bounce. We can see that we do have that 200 SMA coming up. I wonder if I could no. Yeah, so we do have this line right at 20,000, the 200 moving average on the weekly chart. I do think we're going to come down and touch that. The bearish pattern was confirmed, and if we go ahead and take a measured move, let's go ahead and take a measured move here. That'll bring us right down to like $24 or 24,000, which I wouldn't be surprised. Sorry, on YouTube, you can't even see that. Yes, we have VMAC. I don't know what's going on with VMAC, but I'm waiting for the halt strategy. All right. What's going on? We have that was not a good. I mean, we had BSFC that you could have caught a nice 30-cent move to the upside. Oh, man. CYTO. I'm going to delete that off the watch list. We have SVFD, and BSFC on the watch list so far. All right, guys, we have 2 minutes left until market open. Oh, maybe if I flex some cash, I'll get some. Let's get some viewers. Yeah. Oh, fuck me, dude. That shit's some. I'm not liking anything right now. Oh, we have the spy. Spy's absolutely moving. I'm not liking anything right now. Market's open. Market's open. Nice washout at 6. Nice washout at 6. Oh, that would have been a great washout. No, I waited too long. That would have been a nice 50 cents a share. That would have been perfect. Too bad I wasn't able to capitalize on it. There's the washout, missed the washout. Could have gotten that for a nice quick pop. Didn't see it though. We do have a gap to fill at around 530. We'll see some support. Maybe get a nice bounce. Penalty back up to 6. We'll look for a nice entry potentially. No, that washout was still great. But watch out, we're going to continue to move. I mean, I don't know. Back up to 6. Watch out for the retest. Watch out for the retest. We might continue lower. We're back up into the green. What? I don't know about this here. I don't know about this, dog. This does not look nice. This does not look clean at all. It ran from 550 all the way up to 650 in a matter of a minute. Oh yeah, there it is. The nice false breakout. There was a nice false breakout. That's what I was saying. That's what I'm saying. Might be able to catch 20 cents there. But we'll see. We'll see. Oh, SF. D also had a really nice washout. I think BSFC is going to be our stock to watch. It has 19,000% relative volume. Damn. Ooh, excuse me. BBIG making moves. Oh yeah, BBIG. Oh, it's just a dead cat bounce. I'm not gonna be trading that. All right, we have Bond. What's going on with Bond? I don't see any news. But it gapped up from 326 all the way up to 689 during after hours. Might get rejected on VWAP here. Oh man, excuse me. Look for this downtrend break on SVFD. I think they got a new CMO, I believe, or CFO. We're having increasing volume, lower spreads. So be careful here. I think we have room lower. We have Bond halted. Bond was halted. Man, I was just looking at that. I could have gotten in on the halt if I paid attention. Man, I could have gotten into Bond. That's unfortunate. I mean, it doesn't have any news, so. Oh yeah, it's only 52 a bid. We have buyers, a lot of buyers at 52. We have BFSFC. BFFC and SVFD. Thank you guys for the likes. If you guys could also share it and like it, I would really appreciate it. We're getting rejected off that downtrend now for SFVD or SVFD. We have HKIB. Halted to the downside. Ooh. Excuse me, guys. Coming back up into 6. I mean, if we get a strong close above 650, we're coming up to 750. There's not much resistance if we break over this previous high over 650. $934.42. We're going to be live at $939.42. We have around a minute left till Bond is live. Don't like this rug pull. Rug pull off VWAP. Bond's gonna be live here in around all right, let's see if we can get a nice halt strategy here. If it gaps up. Did not gap up. I'm not liking anything at the moment. Not liking anything. We could have we have a nice wedge here. We're gonna break up or down. We don't have any news on BSFC, so I'm not really. I'm just kind of waiting to see which direction this wedge will break out of this wedge. We have decreasing volume on the 1 minute. That's what I like to see. I could start to scale in here. Oh, I missed. I could start to scale in. I'm not a huge fan of it at the moment, though. Because, like, I still am not confirmed. I would wait for a higher low here. We have a nice pivot low on the minute. Oh, yeah. Come on, pull back more. Pull back more. How's the spreads? Spreads are pretty good. No, they're not. I'm not a huge fan of that. I want to see a nice higher low here. Come on. Yeah, there was the dump lower. Coming back retesting, looking for a short. Can't short it though. Oh, we're back above. Back above. Oh, that false breakout. Let me go ahead and get in there. I'm risking around 20 cents. Nice head and shoulders play. Potentially, let's see a bounce. Let's see a bounce. Don't like that. Oh, fuck this song. I'm gonna go with more there. Anticipation. All right, let's see if we can actually jump in here. I'm only in with less than half of my position, looking for it to rip up, start ripping up and get halted. We had a nice false breakout to the downside. Looks like we're going to come down and break lower, which is fine. I have my stop loss in place. I want to see a pop here. Yep, there's the pop. I want to get confirmation. I'm not going to scale in with the rest of these unless I start getting confirmation. I'm only going in with 100. I want to see this rip. Come on. I know you want to. Through a play. Break above that previous high. I know you want to break above 330. Break above 330. There it is. Break above 330. Boom. Come on. 334, 340. Oh, yeah. It's very risky. Oh, the rug pull. Rug pull, rug pull, rug pull city. Looks like I'm about to get stopped out. Decreasing volume though. Decreasing volume. Here's the 90 MA. I have my I have my stop in the same place. I want to get confirmation. I want this to continue to move. If this doesn't, we'll see. I'll just get stopped out. Let's see this get a bounce. I want to see this get rejected. Come on. I have my sell order in place. We have very light volume. Very light volume to the downside. Looks like I'm about to get stopped. I'm stopped. Took a small loss. Oh, looks like I just got stopped out. Let's go to SVFV. All right, let's see if we can get... We're halted at 9:42.14. We're going to be live at 9:47.14. So we have around 14 seconds left. Did not gap up enough for me. Did not gap up enough for me. Only gapped up like 3 or 4 cents. Looks like it's about to crack lower. Yep. Man, I would have been down so much more if I held. If I held that, I would have been down, oh man, around $100. Thoughts on SF or SVFD? I mean, the news is they got a new CMO. Not really liking it. I mean, they did get halted to the upside. I was looking for BSFC to kind of jump up onto that. I was looking for the break, the wedge. Very risky, but I was able to just kind of chill. Again, I am looking for SFV or SFBV or SVFD to kind of bounce here around this 530 level, but I'm not going to take it because it's still pretty risky. We did break out a downtrend with pretty explosive volume. We're coming back retesting it here. Let's see if we can get some volume start to step in. Bond, deleting that. The SPY's just chilling. We have Coinbase at 19.5. Where is it? It's coming right into the support zone. The new low. I'm not going to do options, actually. I was thinking about options, but I'm not going to do options. Every time I do options, I fucking lose some money. I'm not an options trader. Again, I'm just kind of sitting on my hands, not really seeing anything. Took a small $16 loss. Very risky. Was going to... There it is. Guys, we absolutely have no volume, no nothing. Guys, I'm not liking anything. Nothing looks good. Nothing looks good. Oh, man. What about ADGI? Let's look at some ADGI. If you guys could like the stream, I'd really appreciate it. TikTok pushes the stream more. We have a gap to fill for ADGI back up at 34, around 34.65. What about, I don't really like the price action at all. It's a little choppy, a little just dead. I would wait. I don't even know. There's no bullish sign, there's no bearish sign for ADGI. I'm just not a fan of it. Let's see if I can tilt these up just a little bit. Oh. Ah. All right. Guys, I have around $1,000 left to trade with for the day. Let's see if we can get something. Let's see if we can grab something here. We have that nice bounce for SBFV for a nice I should have caught that. It would have been a nice bounce and then continue to move. Fridays are tough indeed. Let's see if we can get a nice bounce off 550. Looking for a double bottom. I'm not liking anything. Nothing is looking good. Nothing's really kind of screaming, buy me, buy me, buy me, when it should be. So we're just going to be sitting on our hands waiting for the best opportunity. Give me 1 second, team. 1 sec. Oh man. Sorry, I was just checking my wires. What I need, guys, because I want to finish my setup. Oh, a little bit. All right. I mean, I'm not really liking anything I see right now at the market. Nothing's looking good. We're just sitting on our hands waiting for the best opportunity. But again, nothing's setting up. It's Friday. It's slow. Oh, man. I guess we're looking for another nice bounce. Another nice bounce would be awesome. Let's go. Sorry. Didn't warn you. Uh-huh. All right, let's see if we come down into this area of support. We're coming right into that 550 area. I want to see some volume start to step in and maybe catch this nice back up to potentially maybe for around 40 cents or so. Let's see if we can take around 200 shares. Wanted to come back maybe like 20 cents or so. Let's see where it's coming down into this area. We're kind of pulled back right into this OTE zone. Your stop has to be below, yeah. Your stop has to be below the intraday low at 514. So I'm not willing to risk 30 cents right now. Thank y'all for the likes. Thank y'all for the likes. Looking for a nice rejection here. We have about a minute left. I want to see it pull back up to like 570, but it doesn't seem like I have a good entry. We might have an inside candle here. Might have an inside candle. Let's see if we can actually get this again. Oh yeah, there's the inside push. Look for it to pop 554. 554. Look for it to pop. There's the pop. We have a lot of big buyer at 547. 545, I mean. 545, we have a big buyer. Big buyer. Let's see, he's starting to get taken out. He's trying to buy 25,000 shares, 26,000 shares. So let's see what happens. Okay, he's gone. He's gone. I didn't see him get filled. The selling pressure is just too high, it seems. 2,000, 4,000, 1,000, 1,000. It seems like there's more buying pressure. Or people are buying back their shorts. 2,500, 1,900. 4,000, 4,000. Yeah, there's way bigger buyers than there are sellers. Looking for a higher low here. And then maybe room back to 570, 580. Looking for a higher low. I don't see anything. It's a good song. I want to see a nice retest here. Looking for that higher low. All right, let's get a nice double. Let's get a nice higher low with a nice retest down to like 550. That would be perfect. Your stops at below 30. Wasn't able to capitalize on it. Let's see if we can actually. You're risking around 10 cents. Let's go ahead and jump in there. I'm going to jump in more. My stops are at 535. Looking for a nice downtrend break. Went in with a nice small position. Looking to scale in more and more here. Coming back, retesting. See that higher low? We have that decreasing volume. Oh, I should have sold. I should have sold. I'm still holding. I don't know why. Bounce back. Bounce back. Oh, yeah. Bounce back. Come on. I'm going to go and sell. All right, guys. That was I took way bigger of a loss than I should have there. Didn't have my stops in place. And I did hit my max loss of 30 bucks. So I will, I'm ending the stream for today. Thank you guys for coming in. We'll see you guys bright and early Monday morning. Have a good one. Sam on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning.